Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to perform factory reset on your iPhone. So to factory reset your iPhone safely, first of all, you're gonna create backup in iCloud or on your computer to make sure that your information is saved. Let's open settings and at the top tap your name, which is your Apple ID. Now let's go to iCloud, and here you will find section iCloud Backup, and let's tap Backup Now button right here. So you're gonna wait a little bit because that's not so quick. And the next thing that you're gonna do is sign out of Apple ID. As well, let's go to Apple account right here. So if you are in your settings, you have to type your name. Now let's go to bottom side of this screen, of this page, and let's press sign out button. Then you're gonna confirm it. And as well, you'll get option to turn off Find My application and activation lock. Okay, so next step before you perform factory reset is that you have to remove your SIM card. If you're selling this device, for example, you can choose to remove your physical SIM or select to remove your electronic SIM. Okay, and now how to perform the factory reset. Finally, you're gonna open settings. Now let's go to section general. From here, you want to scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. And now you're gonna press button erase all content and settings. And then after you confirm, so in order to confirm factory reset, you want to enter your device passcode or Apple ID password if it's prompted to confirm factory reset. So that's how it works. So this will securely erase all personal data, applications, so basically all data on your device, and it will return your iPhone to its original, let's say, state. So that's how you can perform factory reset on your iPhone safely. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.